Ot kany.
Ot kany.
Is that it is not like that.
Okay. Once again, my name is Scott Peter. As I told you before, I'm trying to reconnect with all the Luos, and I'm lucky to be having the last Luo sub-tribe in Uganda. Later on, I'll try and do South Sudan and Ethiopia, but I'm still in northern Uganda, and I'm having Kumam. Kumam can be found in the districts of Amolatar, Kabermaido, Dokolo, Kalaki, and Soroti districts. I think these are in north and eastern parts of Uganda. Anyway, let's get started. Nyinga and Kogot Peter and Luo Makenya to Angi.
Okelo Ronald Kumam Uganda.
Okay, I'm going to try and see how much we have together between the Luo of Kenya and the Kumam of Uganda. And just to have a platform for comparison, as I've used with all other Luo sub-tribes, I'll try the numbers. 1 to 10 first. If it's interesting, then I'll try and proceed and see how much more we can go. So I'll start. Luo of Kenya, Achiel, Ariyo, Adek, Angwen, Abich, Auchiel, Abirio, Aboro, Ochiko, Apar.
Achiel, Are, Adek, Ongon, Kany, Kanyape, Kanyare, Kanyongon, Kanyauni, Kanyongon, Tomon.
Okay, I think that's the farthest I've heard of the Luo tribes. I'm not sure if they're correct or not. Any Kumam watching this will be able to verify. If you notice anything that's out of place, you can leave it in the comment section below and let me know how it's the correct version. Yes. Okay, I'll try to say 11 to 15. Apar Gachiel, but that's a contraction. The original version is Apar Gi Achiel, but naturally we don't say this, we say Apagachiel. So I'll go with the natural way. Apagachiel, Apagario, Apagadek, Apagangwen, Apagabich.
Tomon, Tomi Achiel, Tomi Are, Tomi Adek, Tomi Ongon, Tomi Kany.
Kany. Yeah. 15?
Yes.
Can you say 15 again?
Tomi Kany.
Okay, Tomi Kany. I'm not even sure if I said it correctly. How do you say 18? Apagaboro for me.
Tomi Kanyauni.
Oh, okay. I'll try to see how we say 20 up to 90. So I'll start Luo of Kenya, 20. Pirario, 30 Piradek, Pirangwen, Pirabich, Pirauchel, Pirabirio, Piraboro, Pirochiko.
Otare, Otadek, Otongon, Otkany. Ot Kanyape, Ot Kanyare, Ot Kanya Auni, Ot Kanya Ngonba, Tola Chiel.
Oh, that's 100?
100, yes. Tola Chiel, yeah. Tola Chiel 100.
The Kumam speakers, you can see he hesitated. So the Kumams are losing their language a little. Okay, so how do you say 500? Mia Beach for me.
Tol Kany.
Tol Kany.
Tol Kany, no.
Tall, what is tall?
It is just like 100. 100. That one is 100.
Okay, I would like to stop with the numbers and test something else. Family members. I like to compare family members because I did the same with Junam. I did the same with the Lur Jupardiere. And I did the same with the Langi. So I would like to do the same with the Kumam. Family members. Okay, I'll say something in Luo and he has said something in Kumam. How do you say father?
Papa.
In Luo of Kenya, Baba or Wunwa. Wunwa is my father. So how do you say my father?
Papa.
Papa. Oh. And how do you say mother?
Toto.
Oh, that is same as Langi.
Yes. Toto.
In Luo of Kenya, mama. So mama na is my mother or minwa. And so how to say my mother?
Toto naba.
Luo of Kenya, if you say toto now, the what comes to my mind is my baby, whether it's in terms of love or parental connection. And how do you say son?
Wodaba.
Luo of Kenya, woda. How do you say daughter?
Nyaraba.
Luo of Kenya, nyara, but I have to clarify that nyara and woda as my daughter and my son. Okay. How do you say sister?
I mean meraba.
Luo of Kenya, nyamera or nyaminwa for my sister. And how do you say brother or my brother?
Omina. Omina.
Luo of Kenya, ominwa, omera, or owadwa. I'm putting the possessive pronoun for first person. So my brother. Ominwa, omera, or owadwa. How do you say auntie?
Awa.
Luo of Kenya, waya. Waya, which ideally should be sister to both mother or father, but we only use it for my father's sister to say waya, because my mother's sister is basically mother. And how do you say uncle?
Neraba.
Luo of Kenya, nera. How do you say wife?
Dakonaba.
Luo of Kenya, chiga. But how do you say my woman?
Dakonaba.
So my wife and my woman is the same thing?
Yes. Yes, it is. It is the same thing. Dakonaba. Dakona.
Oh, Luo of Kenya, to me, Dakona is my woman. Technically, my woman is my wife, but they're distinctive words. I mean, Chiega is my wife and Dakona is my woman. And how do you say husband?
Chwaraba.
Luo of Kenya, Chwara, but he feels ashamed because he's a guy and and he says Chwara, but this is just for language comparison, so it means nothing. How do you say grandfather?
Kwaranaba.
Luo of Kenya, Kwara, my grandfather. And how do you say my grandmother?
Ineba Tataba.
Luo of Kenya, Dawa or Dadiwa. Okay, is that same?
Yeah, almost the same. Sometimes we also call her Ada. Ada.
Ada. Ada is same as Acholi? Do you know how to say it in Acholi?
In Acholi, I cannot whatever, but sometimes in Kumam also we say Ada. Ada na ino no ba. It means grandmother na ino.
Yeah, so Luo of Kenya is Daniwa. Okay, I'll try to compare something random. Wait, what can I compare? I'm tempted to compare food, but let's try colors. Colors, okay? How to say white in Kumam?
Kalatarba.
Luo of Kenya, Rachar. How do you say black?
Kala Achol Mereva.
Luo of Kenya, Rating or Dichol? Well, Dichol? I don't know. Yeah, okay. I think we use Dichol too. How do you say green?
Kala Ginen Mero a green ba.
I'm not sure.
Yes. We don't have another whatever word we can use to say green.
Luo of Kenya, Ralum. Well, I'm not sure how close this is to the other Luo tribes. So if you are Shiluk, Anuak, Padola, Jonam, Jalur Pardiere, or Jacholi, if you're watching this, you can tell me in the comment section how do you say green because now I'm only able to compare this with Kumam, and it's the first time I'm comparing colors. Okay, how do you say blue?
It remains the same. Young big color blue, my river.
I think they stole that from English. Luo of Kenya, Rambulu. Rambulu. Well, maybe we stole it too. How do you say red?
Aquar, Karaquar, man.
Luo of Kenya, Rakwaru or Rakwar? Rakwar. Anyway, what's the difference between Rakwar and Rakwaru? Well, all of them. We can say Rakwaru or Rakwar. Yeah, Lauma Rakwar. The color is Rakwaru. Well, we say Rakwaru or Rakwar. Okay, let's try and see how much we have in common in terms of the food. So, well, I'll choose random food. How do you say? Okay, I'll say something Luo. Kuon.
Yes.
And how do you say it in your language?
We also call it Kwon. Kwon.
It's difficult to describe because in Kenya it's obvious. Kuon is ugali. But in Uganda, I think they call it either posho, kaunga, and all other names. So, if ugali is made out of maize, how do you call it?
Kwon, never. Kwon magin ba kwon me mudinga. Okay. For us we call maize mudinga.
Mudinga. So kwon mar
mudinga. You whatever you differentiate it. Yes.
Luo of Kenya, kwon oduma or kwon bando. So the word for maize or corn is oduma or bando. So I would say kwon mar bando or kwon mar oduma, but that's a description really because say ugali of. But naturally we say kwon oduma or kwon bando. When it's made out of sorghum?
Kwon magin ba kwon me bell ba.
Luo of Kenya, kwon bell. If I was to describe, I would still say kwon marbel, but naturally say kwon bell. What about if it's made of sorghum? Not sorghum, millet.
Kwon magin ba me kal ba.
Luo of Kenya, kwon kal. And cassava? How when it's made out of cassava?
Kwon magin ba me muogo ba.
Kwon muogo. I must admit that with reference to the types of ugali, oduma, bando, bel, kal, and muogo, yeah, we are very close to, with Kumam more than all the others. I think Jonam had another name for cassava and another name for maize as well. Okay, what can I compare again? I'll try to have a conversation, a natural conversation. Maybe this will be completely weird. But before we go there, I forgot to ask about the word for 1,000. So how do you say 2,000?
2,000? Tutumia ginen ba tolare ba. Tolare.
What of 100?
Tolare.
200. 200.
Tolare kene. That one is 200 is tolare. Nando ka gine. Kade ginen ba irom vala tutumia re irom kerbe tutumia tolare. Now it is 2,000. You bring that 100, that 200, then you say tutumia ba, tolare.
Oh, so 200 is tolare, but 2,000 tutumia tolare. Could you repeat that for me? 200?
Tolare.
2,000?
Tutumia tolare.
I need the Kumams to help me verify this information because I have no capacity to verify. It's funny that we use the word 200 when you mention 1,000, but as of now, I trust him 100% because he's the only Kumam face that I have. I'll try to have a natural conversation and see how it goes. Amosi. How to say greeting? How to say hello? How are you?
Yes. Yoga.
Yes.
Eh,
So yoga. So
Yoga.
you say ayogi. How to say I greet you?
yoga bear.
Yoga bear.
Yoga bear.
How to say amosi or intie maber or rio maber? Nyingi ga?
Nyinga luongo be okelo ba.
Okay.
Yin nyinga. Yin nyinga ba.
Nyinga en Kogot Peter. In jakanye?
Aga ya molatar. Do yin ya tuai.
An jaluo ma Homa Bay, Kenya. Onyuoli kanye?
That one, what do you mean?
Nyuol is to give birth. So where were you born? Onyuoli kanye?
Aga nyuala molatar ba. Do yin nyuale tuai.
An onyuola Homa Bay, Kenya. Well, I believe Tuae is Kanye, which is what, where?
Yes, where?
Yeah. Ihero chiemo mane? I'll try another version.
Yes.
Imito cham mane?
Now, I've got that one. You are asking me, what do you want to eat, or what type of whatever do you want to eat?
Yeah, I'm asking which food you like.
Aga maro mogo kere ginen ba kera porogo ba.
I didn't understand that.
It was like I'm telling you that I like cassava and what and fish.
What is the name for fish?
A porogo.
Oh, in Luo of Kenya is rech. And I think Junam, Malur, and Langi, they say rech.
Yes.
Oh, so Kumam is... I'm not sure. Poro?
A porogo.
So could you mention the types of fish?
Gine ba utikere ginen ba. Utikere bileng. Utikere da ginen ba. Utikere
Bileng, which type of fish is
that one is mudfish.
Mudfish?
Then utikere potaba. That one is Nile perch. We have very many.
Yeah, okay, just mention two more. Just mention maybe
Again, tilapia. Tilapia. One again about generalizing it. You will be a porogo.
Okay.
A porogo in Onoba.
Okay. I'll try. Luo of Kenya, I'll try to mention 4. Of course, you know, we fish eaters, so we have plenty of them. So I'll start with mudfish, kamongo girkado, Nile perch, mbuta, tilapia, ngege, and there's one that I don't know how they call it in English, okoko. Well, I can't explain what okoko is. Any Luo of Kenya watching this, what's okoko in English? I don't know. You'd have to wait until the video's on YouTube and you'll see the comment section. Yeah, to tell us what okoko is. Anyway, I'll finish as usual. I'll conclude this by having to say bye naturally. And again, before I say bye, please subscribe, like, share, spread the Luo connection. Nyinga and Kogot Peter Angelo Makenya Oriti.
Ang ulunga bo kero Ronald. Awoki adul ma ulunga be amolatar. Po yo no de ba na ba.
Bye bye.